What's up, y'all? I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine because yes, it has changed. I have some new products I've added, some old products I've removed, some products that are still the same. I just really want to share this routine because it's completely different from when I was pregnant and before I was pregnant. Now that I'm not pregnant and I've had my baby, my skin has completely changed. It's not the same. I'm still like an oily grease ball, but as far as everything else and like what I need for my skin, it has changed a lot. I'm still even figuring it out to this day. So you might see some products even in this video where in like 6 months, I might not be using them anymore. But you know, that's probably because I've become a skincare product junkie. I'm really into skincare right now. It's been my jam right now. It's not gonna be too crazy. I don't think it's crazy expensive. I mean, even if it is expensive, when it comes to your skin, that is the one thing you should splurge on. So let's get a close-up on my skin. This is what my skin looks like right now. With no makeup on. I have absolutely no makeup on. I do have a bit of discoloration here. I'm having like, not really a breakout, but just like a few pimples, probably because, you know, sometimes I fall asleep with my makeup on and I shouldn't. All right, so the first step that I like to do when it comes to my skincare routine is wash my face. And the cleanser that I like to use is this bad boy right here. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser from First Aid Beauty. And I love this cleanser because it is so gentle on the skin. I already use like a whole full bottle. This is like my little travel size bottle. I actually need to re-up. It's hard to find a face cleanser that removes makeup and feels like it's cleaning your skin and actually cleans your skin. I know there's a lot of face washes out there that I've used and it's like, we remove makeup and you know, it doesn't lather and it's more like it's an oil remover or it's a cream remover. And I'm like, you guys must make this for people who wear like tinted moisturizer and BB cream because the way my makeup is set up, it's not removing. I need something that can really remove this packed on, baked on, layered on makeup that will actually clean my face, and it's really hard to find that, but this actually does it. So usually I would wet my face in the sink, but because that'd be too difficult with the way that I'm filming, I'm just gonna take a washcloth and dampen my face. I've noticed for my skin right now, I used to do a lot of scrubbing and exfoliating, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't exfoliate, obviously you should, but I feel like you don't have to exfoliate as much as, I don't know, okay, let me speak from my point of view. I'm not gonna be saying here like I'm a skin expert and telling you what to do and then ruin, you know, someone's skin. But for me, I find that exfoliating maybe like once every 2 weeks works for me. Now, that would never work for me before. Before I used to have to exfoliate like at least 2 to 3 times a week, but I exfoliate at least maybe like 1 to 2 times every 2 weeks. I don't have as many milia or breakouts. I feel like exfoliating too much for me is just, it's too harsh for my skin. So now I'm just gonna wipe the cleanser off. All right, now that I'm done washing my face, I like to move on to toning, which is something, I wouldn't say it's a new step that I added to my skincare routine, but I haven't really toned since like I used to use the Mandelic Acid Toner. I don't know if you guys remember that in my old skincare routine. I can't even remember when I did it. But I've switched to a more gentle toner, but this toner is bomb because it gets rid of acne scars. Yes, I said it. Who has heard of a toner that gets rid of acne scars? This is from HENRIKSEN. This is the Glow 20H. I think I'm saying it right. Dark spot toner. This toner is amazing. It feels really lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel harsh. It's not one of those toners that you put on and like your skin is burning. The reason why I really like this toner is because I've really been looking for a product that gets rid of dark spots and discoloration, and usually I would use like my Different for that or something that has like a retinol in it, but I can't do that right now because I'm breastfeeding still. So I'm not going to be able to do that until I start breastfeeding, and right now this is one of the safest things that I have found that does remove dark spots, and it has worked. I mean, can you tell on my skin? So the way that I actually like to apply this toner is different from, I'm sure, the way a lot of people apply it. Usually you would get your cotton pad, get your toner, pour it in there a little bit and wipe your face. I don't do that, especially because I don't want to waste product, and I just like to apply it this way. You guys might think I'm wasting product, but I'm actually not. If you do it right, you will not waste the product. So let me show you what I do. I tilt my face to the side, and then I drip a little bit of the toner on my face, and then I rub it in with my hands. Of course, you want to do this with clean hands. Drip, drip, drip. Booyah. pat that baby in. Do the same thing on this side. Forehead. Of course, be careful doing this. You don't want to get it in your eye. But this is just the way I do it. Obviously, you don't have to do it this way. Okie dokie. So the next thing that I like to do in my skincare routine, this is step 3. I like to use the AZN Labs Afterglow. I think it's Ampoule. Youthful glowing serum. This is such an amazing serum. When I tell you, a little goes a long way. When you put it on your skin, it feels amazing, very moisturizing. It's just perfect, especially at night. If you get this at nighttime, drench your face in this bad boy. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because it is the daytime, but I feel like this routine is kind of a mix of what I do in the day and the nighttime. I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks and then rub it into my face. And I know when you put products on, you should like rub upwards, which I do. It's just sometimes I forget, especially when I'm in a rush. So the next step I like to do is a super quick step. This is what I like to do right before I use my moisturizer. And I'm gonna be using the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I like to spray a few spritz of this on my face. It feels good. It's also moisturizing. Although I have oily skin, like, when you have oily skin, you just want to moisturize. I know you might not like the way it feels on your skin, but I have noticed, especially getting older, like how my skin has changed. I just love to moisturize and really help my skin feel like it just drunk like 40 gallons of water today. I like to shake it up. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I do it anyway. And then I just do like about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. So I just like to pat it in. All right, so on to the last step, which is my favorite because this is what I use to prep my skin before my makeup. It's the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, and it's so good for sensitive skin. This stuff is amazing before your makeup. It actually makes your makeup adhere to your skin so beautifully. You can use it at night as well. You don't have to just use it in the morning before your makeup. You can use it before you go to sleep. It's not greasy. Because I know my oily skin peeps, you know, we do not like when our skin feels oily. Like even though like my skin's very moisturized right now, all the products that I have used in this video, including this one, does not make your skin feel like a grease ball, but it is giving you that moisture that you need so that you do not produce any excess sebum oil, aka greasiness, oiliness on your face. And this does not do that. It's very light. It's really whipped, which is super cool. Let me open it for you guys. I'm gonna need a new one of these soon. You can see it's whipped. Look at that. Look how cool that is. It's not like a basic moisturizer where it's really creamy or watery. Like if I lift it upside down, it's not gonna come out of the jar. And I don't know if you can tell by the name, but it helps repair the barrier of your skin. If you're wondering what the barrier of your skin is, it's basically the barrier that helps protect your skin from pollution, like when you wear makeup, dirt, allergens, basically just all the crap that you don't want coming into your skin. As we get older, that barrier starts to basically disappear. And this is going to help repair that barrier for you and protect your skin, but be gentle at the same time. It's safe for sensitive skin. It's allergy tested. So if you're someone who breaks out from scented products, this has absolutely no scent in it. If you're looking for a moisturizer that basically will help repair your skin as you wear it, especially under your makeup, this moisturizer is gonna be so amazing for you. You're gonna love it. And it's also great for all skin types, whether you're dry, combo, or oily. That's what's so bomb. All right, so this is basically like my simple, I guess you can call this my AM skincare routine with a little bit of PM mixed in it. I don't know. I don't really like to label it because I use these products when I feel like it. This is basically all that I do. These are the products that I use and that I love and stand by right now that have been treating my skin so well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces!